So hi guys, welcome to REVITUP recap, week number 8 I believe. This week just me by myself. I've been really busy this week. Sold 49 cars this month we have as a team, so really busy this month. But yeah, thought this week we'll do a slightly different recap. I'm just going to walk through, show what's in stock, what's left, or what's going out, and basically just do it that way. So starting off out here, we got all of the cars from the guys who work here. Obviously Mark's Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid. Just got those new stickers I think we mentioned last week, so nice, branded everything on there and on the little side skirts, really nice. Then we got my E92 330D, my car I go on about it enough, don't need to touch on it anymore. Got Cal's Stage 2 M4, no front plate, fell off obviously, you wouldn't drive around with that I'm sure. And then Harrison's RS3, not sure if this is featured in a video. Nice, good spec list, got the new, well not new wheels but aftermarket wheels on it, just had them refurbed. Good number plate as well, Harrison, then his second name, but I won't say that just in case he doesn't want me to, but you know, nice plate. Callum's plate, just don't know what that is, my plate obviously, and then the Turbo S plate, but yeah, nice number plates, nice lineup of cars out the front. So yeah guys, I'll take you out the back now and into the showroom and just show you what we actually have come in. So coming into the office where the magic happens, Callum's out with the customer, taking them on a test drive. If you just look at the cameras, obviously we have full CCTV here, you can see everything. Harrison's delivering a car down near Coventry I believe, so he's not here either. There, speaking of the devil, there's Callum, just pulling up in this lovely A-Class we've got. Possibly taking this in for part X of that Punto over there, but Mark is out there taking some videos and walkarounds of our new Audi SQ5. Not sure if you can see it just there. I'll put a few clips of that in a minute. So yeah, that came in yesterday, just bought it outright. Ben is just there prepping our new ABARTH Competizione. That came in this morning for a Mark II Focus ST. What are we saying?
I reckon they're gonna have it, you know.
Yeah or no?
Yeah, I reckon they will.
Happy days then?
Yeah, just a nice Saturday's work.
So just doing the recap by myself today because everyone's busy.
Everyone's busy. Have you told where Big H is?
Yeah, literally just covered that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Said you were out, and as I said that, you just pulled up here, so.
Yeah, so customers there wanted to swap in that mighty Punto beast there. Upgrade it to the A-Class, actually a nice car. A220
isn't it?
A220, came from Scotland this one, swapped it in for that nice Golf R that we had, didn't he? He was actually blown away with the power of that.
Yeah.
Just shows us different levels to what people are used to. Exactly. Coming from that to that, it's going to feel like a monster.
Yeah.
But it is actually a nice car, be a nice daily for someone there.
So just coming into the showroom, as you can see there's our lovely new Audi SQ5. Really nice car, that really good spec. Actually owned by a guy I'm mates with, so I know it's been looked after well. So yeah, this 140i Shadow Edition just came into stock, really clean car. Standard one, a bit different to what we usually get in, but really nice still. GT86, supercharged, lovely cars these. My friend actually has one of these, not a supercharged one sadly, but still a lovely car. M4 Austin Yellow, I think this might have a deposit down on it, not too sure. But yeah, this paintwork looks lovely. Pictures don't really do it justice, but in the right light here, looks great. So Ben out here doesn't want to talk on the camera because, you know, it's a bit weird like that. Prepping our new ABARTH. Maybe he wants to spray me with the gel wash anymore, who knows. But yeah, lovely ABARTH just coming to stock. So he's finally stopped talking, or spraying. Hi Ben, what do you think of this car, mate?
Lovely car, wheels set off, the colour's so good.
So how do you prep a car, Ben?
How do we prep a car? So obviously it comes in, starting the wheels, get them all nice and clean. Then we go to the snow foam the whole vehicle, make sure it's all done. Then we do a pre-wash afterwards. And then obviously we put a rinse aid on, and then we dry it with drying towels, get it inside, hoover it all out.
Yeah, Ben makes them all look really good, him and H. And possibly Greg, but Greg doesn't want to be on camera so I won't show him. Yeah, they make the cars look great here. That's why they sell so fast. So yeah, there's the interior. Ben hasn't done it yet, but it's not too bad, so hopefully it won't take too long with this car for a change. Nice one, Ben. So another car that's coming is this VW Golf R. Lovely wrap this. Actually owned by a guy on Instagram. He has a fair few followers. Give him a follow. You can see some pictures of this. So this car actually has already sold before he was even really with us. The new owner basically saw this guy was selling it to us and contacted us directly and just put a deposit down. So yeah, easy for me. I don't have to do any pictures of it because yeah, it's already sold. Really nice car. SATIN chrome purple wrap. It was done by, if you see on the fuel cap, nice little debossed sticker. If you can see that, not really. But yeah, really nice car this, lovely wheels, panoramic sunroof, dining audio, carbon spoiler, big exhaust, what are they, Scorpion or Miltech tips? Yeah, lovely car this. So another car was just coming yesterday is this Mercedes A45. Lovely car this, really like these myself personally. Got the panoramic sunroof, it's got the AMG buckets in, if you can see that. This car was actually sold by us 2 months ago. The owner decided to sell it back to us, so can't complain having a car like this in stock. Needs to get a few wheels done, get them nicely refurbed by our guys at Revive, and then be back live on the site. Really nice car. If you want it, you know where we are. Give us a message because this won't hang around long. So this BMW M5 I actually did a review on earlier in the week. Did a little POV drive, stuck the little Insta360 camera on my head, so went for a little drive in this. Got some nice exhaust sounds, driving impressions, so if you want to check that out, link will be in the top right corner right now. So then over here we have this Audi S5 going live on Monday evening is the POV drive of this. So we've actually had this car in stock for a while with us. We're not too sure why really. It's got a massive spec on it. It's pretty much got every single option. I go through them all on the video. But yeah, it's got the panoramic sunroof, stage 2 map, 500 brake horsepower roughly. Drives great this. So if you want to see a POV drive of this, stay tuned Monday evening. It'll go live then. But yeah, really nice car. I think it's up for 17,450, and it's a hell of a lot of car for the money compared to maybe a Golf R, which is like early 20s, maybe 25. I personally would much rather have one of these and then have 5-6 grand in my pocket. So make sure you check that video out. So another car we have in is this 475 brake horsepower Audi S1. I actually did a review on this when he was wrapped in satin Key West, just that colour there. We didn't do any driving videos just because of the camera we had then, but next week me and Callum are going to take this out and do a full review on it. Yeah, absolutely lovely car this. I think it's up for about £23,000. So much car for the money this. Like I said outside, Golf R's are big money these days, but one of these you're never going to get beaten by one of these on the road or even see another one, to be honest. 475 brake horsepower, big turbo, short shifter, can't go wrong at all. So over here tucked away in the corner of the showroom is Mark's R34 GTR. I know last week we promised to do a video on this, but we've absolutely been rushed off our feet all this week. And we don't want to do a half-assed video with this, we're going to do a proper one. So like with the S1 just over there, me and Callum are going to take this out in the week, do a full-on review on it. Our mechanic at Manor Lane, Robin, he actually has an R35 GTR, and he has said we can possibly use it for a comparison video, but we'll have to wait and see. But stay tuned, there definitely will be a review on this coming this week. So guys, that wraps up for this week's Rev-it Up recap. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like I said, there'll be a few reviews this week on the S1 and the GTT R34, so stay tuned for that. Maybe we could even do a race between these three. Pretty sure how it's going to go. Obviously I'm going to win, but you know, got some quite nice cars here, people who work here, so even could get Ben's truck involved, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, make sure you follow us on all our socials. That will be in the description down below. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.